Exploring activity, simple and fun. We need some water, watercolor, some stickers, a piece of paper, glass container, small amount of water, small glass or a jar. Paste the stickers on the paper. Now put the container over the paper. Mix the color with water. Pour the water and you can see anything through this container. Put the glass upside down. To create a magnifying glass, you need to drop water on the bottom of the glass. And you can see clearly through the glass. Drop more water, and you can see the tree, the bee, ladybug. A very simple exploring activity for kids.